This is the video tutorial for the FINPLAN track Hands-On 1, Installing FINPLAN. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to install FINPLAN and access additional FINPLAN information. However, note that the current FINPLAN software is only compatible with a Windows 10 machine. The software is not compatible with iOS or Mac operating systems. Firstly, let's download the FINPLAN software. To do that, click on this link. The link will take you to a modeling tools survey, which aims to collect and process personal data to understand the impact of the CCG program's modeling tools and send newsletters with your consent. The personal data will be retained for 5 years, and anonymized outputs may be shared with CCG's funders and partners. The processing is necessary for our legitimate interest in enhancing outreach and effectiveness. You have rights under UK GDPR, including access, correction, deletion, and the ability to withdraw consent for newsletters at any time. For questions or concerns, please contact the Climate Compatible Growth Program at Loughborough University via email at ccg@loughborough.ac.uk. The first question asks if you would like to participate in a 2-minute survey. If you would like to participate in the survey, click on Yes. By doing so, you'll see 10 more questions in the survey. Question number 2 states which modeling tool are you using? Choose FINPLAN, Model for Financial Analysis of Electric Sector Expansion Plans, as that is the tool that we will be downloading. Now fill in the other questions accordingly until you reach the end of the survey. Once you have finished the survey, click on Submit. This will take you to another page where the links for the different tools are located. As we want to download the FINPLAN tool, you can click on this link. If you do not want to participate in the survey, you can also click on No. Once you've done this, click on Submit. This will take you to the same page where all the links are located. Again, as we want to download the FINPLAN tool, click on this link, the one at the bottom. This will take you to the FINPLAN GitHub page, and you will see the FINPLAN release, FINPLAN User Interface version 4.0.5. Under Assets, you'll see the executable file, finplan.4.0.5.exe. To download the software, click on this link. You'll see that your file is downloading. Once your file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. You will see the executable file here. Double-click on this. Click on More Info. Now click on Run Anyway. The FINPLAN page will show up. You can click on Manage Case Studies to look at what you have. At the moment, there is only the Demo Case 1, which comes with the FINPLAN tool. You can click on this button, which talks about all the different FINPLAN releases, and go back to Manage Case Studies if you want. You have now downloaded the FINPLAN tool. You'll also see in your desktop folder that a shortcut has also been made to go to your FINPLAN software. So if you ever want to go to FINPLAN, you can close this, close that, click on this FINPLAN shortcut, which should be on your desktop page, and the FINPLAN tool will pop up. Likewise, if you want to delete these, you can now delete them as they are now on your desktop. So right-click, delete, and you will have access to FINPLAN on your desktop. Right, if we go back to the hands-on exercise, we can see that in activity 2, there are 2 other documents that are available for more information on FINPLAN. They are 1. Introduction to FINPLAN, 2. Glossary of financial terms. If you would like more information, please download these files, have a look at them, and keep them accessible, as you will also need them for the upcoming hands-on exercises. There is also a FINPLAN discussion forum for further support. So please sign up to the forum and ask or answer any FINPLAN related questions here using this link, which will take you to a different website, the FINPLAN discussion forum.